updated my journal.
Endure. In enduring, grow strong.
All right. Welcome. Hi. Yeah, thank you so much for the follow. Follows are anonymous. So, yeah, but if you do want me to read out your name or anything, you're very welcome to say hi or to use the redeem I just followed. Vessel, congrats on first. How are you doing? How is everyone today? I don't know if I slept enough. I honestly don't know. I crashed in the evening at like 8:30 p.m. and then slept just completely through until midnight. And then obviously I had a bit of trouble falling asleep after that. Also, all the bad thoughts came. But then I think I managed to fall asleep around 3 and slept until 9. So I don't know if all in all that was enough. or if I'm going to be tired again in like an hour or two. I cannot tell. I'm feeling okay now, but usually I feel okay. And then I just fall asleep midstream. But yeah, how is everyone doing? I was thinking today that I'm going to do a bit of tech stuff because I need to update it, and I also need to gather ideas for what I would like to do with the stream. Let me just make sure I have a couple of bit of music for the. So. Oh, okay, I'm yawning. That's not a good sign. Oh my goodness. All right, hold on. I may have to grab some food later on, and that might help give me a bit of a boost. But for now, hooray. Okay, so apparently I didn't sleep enough. Right, but we're doing this. So the idea is that I use StreamerBot for most of my things, and ultimately I do want to transition fully from using any sort of other stuff like Streamlabs or so. Like my chat is still running over Streamlabs. I'm not sure how I can what other forms of showing chat there are on stream. Not Streamlabs, Stream Elements. I apologize. I used to run Stream Elements OBS, and then Stream Elements people turned out to be not the greatest people. And then I've been slowly divesting myself of anything Stream Elements. But I don't know enough about where to look for some resources. So chat in particular, right, displaying that on stream. That's a big one. Also, I want to have one that looks nice, but I have no idea how to implement that and where to find that and all. So, yeah, that is a thing. So, the idea is right now though that I add a couple of things to StreamerBot, which is the main program I use to run things. So all of my alerts, for example, I've gotten rid of all of the Stream Elements alerts, and I'm now running my own custom stuff using StreamerBot, which, holy heck, adds so much more customizability. And so much more freedom to do things. But I feel like I'm not fully utilizing the power of StreamerBot. I keep seeing what other people do in their streams, and I'm like, I need to do that. I need to put that in there as well. So yeah, let's get cracking. So let me switch over to what looks better? If I switch over to here, I have a black background. You know what? I'm gonna stay on here, but I'm gonna turn off the chatting song because if that keeps playing over and over again, that's gonna be really annoying, and I'm going to add my music capture. Does that have... Actually, hold on. Copy, paste reference. There we go. Now I can play music on here. Let me turn off this. Let me turn on. Some of this. Okay. And what I want to do as well is I want to show StreamerBot. Okay, so I have too many more. This is the thing when you're streaming as a VTuber, you always have like 4 or 5, 6 programs running. And that's the. Let me just make sure that I'm not going to show something I don't want to show. Yeah, no, it looks good. Okay, so let me add a window capture for StreamerBot. Okay. Right. That seems to work. Ta-da! And now you can see StreamerBot. All right. Let's do this. Okay, so also I just updated this thing. Like I was opening it up for stream and it said, "Oh, new update." I was like, okay, why not? And now my alert sounds work again. So, hooray. So my alert sounds, they played on stream, but I couldn't hear them for whatever reason, and I just did not know what to do to fix it. But now it seems to have been fixed on its own because I just heard everything. So that's good. Okay, so the main thing, or not main thing, main thing is a bad way to say it. So what I want to look at is I want to fix up some commands I already have in here. This looks like a lot of stuff, but some of it is only partial. So three big points really. Fix up what I already have in here. Make sure it works and sees use. Second is add any new commands I already know I want. And third is collect ideas for other things that I can do on stream. Now I'm always working on a big stream upgrade thing in the background. Been working on it for over a year. It's making very slow headway because it's a lot of work. And also I don't have too much time between job and this and other things. So but as part of that I do want to make more stuff for it. So right now, let's see, I have this follow events up. Okay. Let me get a notepad ready for some ideas. Okay, so what are we looking at? This is StreamerBot. This is the main page, the main action hub of StreamerBot. So for those who don't know, StreamerBot is a companion program, kind of like MixItUp, that can help you do things or run things, either establishing chat commands or like automatically do things in the background and so on, and it can hook. Like I think MixItUp can hook into more platforms maybe. But like they do different things. But generally I've been told you don't need to run both. That's gonna be a big drain on your resources. So I go with StreamerBot because there's also a whole bunch of cool plugins that I can eventually use. So yeah. So this is how it works. I have all my actions here. Stream marker, yes. So for instance, my ad management timer. I run ads on the hour because Twitch needs me to run ads. So I decided, you know what? I will run scheduled ads 3 minutes every hour. And to make sure that people don't get pre-rolls, which is the worst option in my regard. And to make sure that I get a break every hour, right? A couple of minutes where the stream itself forces me to take a 3-minute break or 4-minute break, right? And be like, okay, no, I have to get up. I have to remember to, I don't know, drink something, go grab a snack, go to the bathroom, etc. So, and I have this thing running where it runs a timer in the background, and then it warns me when there's about 2 minutes left before the ads hit. And then when the ads run, there, it plays an alert sound so that I also know, oh yeah, ads are playing, that everyone knows ads are playing, even if you don't get ads for whatever reason, that you know, okay, this is happening right now. And it sends a chat message to Twitch, etc. And then it starts the timer again. All right. So, what was this? Ah, yes, I had a game info command. Where is it? Game command. Let's see. What's still in here? Rise of Legends? Okay, so because I play a lot of old games and a lot of kind of obscure games, I had set a command that people can use to get a bit of info about the game I'm playing. It was never used, not once, but I set it up anyway because I thought, you know what, why not? And essentially, I also, because it's a lot of hassle going into where is this game toggle command? It's a variable. Where are my variables? Settings? Commands? To the set global game info to value of raw input. So global, where are my variables? Over here. So I have this game info string variable, which is just the info of the game, right? Oh, you cannot see it. But there is the variables button up here, and if I click it, it opens up. I have two variables, one that is a counting variable and the other one that is a string variable, and that one has all the game info. But it's a bit of a hassle to open up StreamerBot, go to variables, go in there and type in the game info. So I can do it in chat. right? I can type set game info and then type something about the game, and then that will be set as the info that is displayed if someone does exclamation point game. It used to be a much bigger hassle because I used to play 2 or maybe 3 different old games a week. And so I would have to change it every single stream. And that's why I stopped updating it. I don't know. Let me see if it's possible to be streaming started. Aha. This is how I can post things. To be automatic. Let me see. Channel, share channel. First words. Okay, nice. Present viewers. Shout out received. Stream update. Stream update? Hold on. Oh. Huh. It doesn't have all of them. Okay. But I'm seeing here then. You cannot see the pop-up. I don't know why. But I can apparently Ooh, okay. So this is something I can do actually. If I set the category of the game to or the category of the stream to a certain game, when that happens, I can automatically change this text. Okay, that is so cool. So I can set that once and put all of the texts in there of games that I'm planning on playing. Or I can change it once whenever I start a new game, right? Because games typically take a couple of sessions. So I can do that and then not have to manually input the game info every single time, because right now I'm running everything off one variable. Right? I have one variable called game info. And that I just keep changing the value of that variable, the text of that variable. Which works, but is very tedious. What I can do is I can have different variables for every game, and just have StreamerBot automatically switch which variable the game command will grab depending on which category I've selected. Okay, so let's do that right now. Let's test that out right now. So I should have a text file somewhere. With all of the descriptions. Where is that text file? Upgrades? No. Where's the text file? Oh my goodness. Game info. There you go. Ah, what's happening? Okay, hold on. Oh, some of these I've already played. Okay, so I have on here Caesar 3, Rise of Legends, Baldur's Gate Enhanced Edition. So I still play this one on stream. So actually, let me go. Siege of Dragonspear. So, Siege of Dragonspears, the fan-made Interquel is the by the developers of the enhanced editions, set between Baldur's Gates 1 and 2. It came out. When did it come out? 2012? Siege of Dragonspear release date. It came out 2016. Holy heck. Okay, that's very new. Of the enhanced editions of Baldur's Gate 1, 2, okay, and bridges the stories between these two games. Then runs are adapted, AD&D second edition rules set, and is set in the Forgotten Realms. Okay, so now that I have this text, don't forget to save. I can go to StreamerBot, and I can set a new variable called BG Siege of Dragonspear, and have this value in there. Okay. Now, get rid of this thing. So, get rid of this. Instead, Twitch. General stream update. Siege of Dragonspear. So when I set my game category to Siege of Dragonspear, then I need to edit the game command. Can I do that? Can I... Actions? Can I edit a command using another command? I mean, possibly with C Sharp. Like, this is also the thing. You can use C Sharp to really customize a lot of things in StreamerBot, but I don't know C Sharp yet? Question mark. So let's see. Set action state. Okay. Um Can I
Hello there.
Oh, hey, Vetalina. Rindfleisch-Etikettierungsüberwachungsaufgabenübertragungsgesetz. Indeed. How are you doing? Hi. How goes? I am delving deep into the minds of streamer bot. Rawr. How goes? And I'm trying to see how much I can break this program. So I wonder. So I do have a variable called game info. So yeah. I'm currently trying to see. I have a command that basically never gets used, but I want to see if I can update it anyway, just to understand StreamerBot a bit more, which is the game command. That pastes a short description of the game I'm playing into chat. So I wonder if I can add a variable to another variable, basically. BGS of DSE. Okay, I don't know if that. Also, I mistyped the name of this variable. I no longer change edit variable. I cannot change this variable anymore. Whoops. Okay, so delete this. Add variable. Hold on. Non-persisted globals. Persisted user globals. Non-persisted. Might be better if I do this. Okay. A non-persistent one. I don't need it to be persisted. I don't need it to remember between games, I think. No, wait. I do. I don't need the game info to be persisted. Okay, hold on. Do this. Delete this one. And then add a game info variable here. I'm sorry you cannot see any of this. right now. But I'm okay. So I don't know if this will work. Let me test this. I need to test this right now. So if I set my 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 game info to Siege of Dragonspear. And this one breaks completely because it's referring to the wrong source. There. Text. Okay, so that didn't work. It didn't do anything at all. Uh Hmm. Okay, now I updated it. Text. Okay, so that still didn't work. Okay, let me go back to just chatting before I confuse the heck out of... That's very interesting. If I type just chatting, it cannot find the category. If I just type just chatin without the without the G at the end, it can still find it. I'm confused. Okay. So I will have to look this up real quick. Streamer bot variables. Variables. Let's see. Global variables allow you to share data between multiple actions or even persist it across multiple restarts of streamer bot. Right. And then user global. To quickly access a global variable, wrap the variable name with tilde symbols. Okay. Or streamer bot here. So set argument game info to... If I do this... numbers. Yeah, okay, so this is already working in C#. So I'm guessing the percent thing is how C# marks variables. Options. Add edit variables. And then auto type. Expecting arguments. Oh, right. I can check the action queue the action history. Which broadcast update? Game update true. Status, game ID, game name, Siege of Dragonspear. So it grabbed that. You cannot see. Is there any way I can show this? No, that's Firefox. There's no way I can show this. Okay. So it doesn't show when when a window pops up in there. Gamebox art. Game info. Action name set game info command. And then I tested it 3 times, right? Okay, I may have to look more into how variables exactly work, and if I can streamer bot edit variable using action. Is that possible? I may have to go into a deep dive. Is not helping. Action use. Yeah, no, I don't need any of this. Okay. That this shouldn't be necessary. So the idea is this is StreamerBot. It's a program you can use similar to MixItUp, if you've heard of that. That can run a lot of things for your stream. So I run it. I use it for all of my alerts, for example. Whenever a certain event have like someone follows or a raid happens or I shout someone out, etc. These alerts are done in StreamerBot. So for follow event, for example, I play the alert sound, then I post a Twitch message, and then I have sources in my OBS that are the alert that then get shown, play for a bit, 7.5 seconds, and then get hidden again. And I have that for every command. I have other things. I can gather the info of people. I can gather who redeemed this, as in who raided me. And then I can change text files on OBS to see, oh, this is now the username of the person. This is their profile picture. And then I can run my hat animation, right? Is it this one? It's not doing anything. Is broken. But I can run my hat animation and have like the chat message appear, play a sound, etc. So all of this is done in StreamerBot. So I can set up custom alerts. All of my chat commands, all of my chat commands are also in StreamerBot, and all of the redeems that I run are also set up in StreamerBot. So I'm not setting them up through Twitch. StreamerBot hooks into Twitch, so when I create one in here, it creates a corresponding one in Twitch, but this gives me more control over what I can do. Like if someone redeems first, for example, not only does it paste a chat message like I can have in Twitch, but I can also show an alert when someone redeems that, which is something I cannot do if I just make the redeem in Twitch. Right? So it's a really, really powerful program that can do a lot of things for you. It can even chain alerts. Right? Like when I get raided, where do I have it? Where is it? So when I get raided, gathers info, it plays all of this. Ah, right, here it is. So it does the raid alert, right? And then once the raid alert is done, half a second later, it sends a shoutout command into chat, which then triggers the shoutout. So I can chain alerts like that. I don't have to do this. I can just automatically run. Actually, this is probably better. No, I think this is still good. So I don't have to worry. When I get raided, I see it a lot. A lot of streamers are like, "Oh my god, I'm in the middle of a game. I cannot shout you out right now. Where are my mods? Mods, please shout out this person," and so on and so on. And it's just like I could just automate it. I can do that when I get raided. I play the raid alert, and then it automatically shouts out the person, so I don't have to worry about anything regarding that. So that's really, really powerful. And right now what I'm trying to do is I have this command right here, which is a command that displays a little blurb of text explaining or describing the game I'm currently playing, because I play a lot of old games that people might not know. And so it would be cool to have a chat command where people can just type game and then like a very short blurb appears in chat, just quickly describing what this game even is. And I'm trying to automate that. So what I'm trying to do is that I have this info saved, pre-saved in StreamerBot for every game that I'm playing, for every old game that I'm playing, and then the idea is when I set my I need to rename this. When I set my game category on Twitch to one of those games, that it automatically changes the way the game command works to grab the corresponding text. Right, so if I have a blurb for Siege of Dragonspear, and then I switch my Twitch category to Siege of Dragonspear, it will trigger this command, and then it will either change a variable or change the game command itself, this thing, to grab the correct text for Siege of Dragonspear. And then when I switch my game to something else, what if I've been playing Day of the Tentacle, for example, that I finished, but you know, why not? Um, and then I switch my category to that, that again, it switches the game command around to display the text for Day of the Tentacle. So that I have one command, game, right? Exclamation point game, and that I have and that this command gets automatically updated as I switch my game category on Twitch. Um, and and so that I don't have to worry about constantly changing it manually before every stream, which is what I used to do. Um, and that's a big hassle. So if I can just, as I am preparing to play a new game, I can just, as part of that, I can just write the little blurb as I do anyway, and then put that into StreamerBot, make the command, and then every time I stream it, I don't have to keep switching it around. Because if I stream multiple old games, right, um, I have to keep switching around the the text, right, and that's a big hassle. So I want to do that automatically. Um, so I don't know if this should work, right? So the idea is this trigger up here is when my game category on Twitch gets switched to Siege of Dragonspear. When that happens, set the variable for game info to whatever is in the variable for Siege of Dragonspear, right? So I have a variable for Siege of Dragonspear. Uh, yeah, delete the persistent one. Source global, variable name game info. Oh, okay. I think I know what I need to do. Where is this arguments, set our commands? Okay. So I see here. I can update where was it? Global set. So set the variable name of game info to can I wait, what does this one look like? Get global variable. Okay, not set global variable, get global variable. So I get the variable name of of Siege of Dragonspear, and then destination variable is gonna be game info. Right? And then if I just take game info from here, right? So right now, game info just shows text. What if I delete this one as well? So the idea is if I switch my game over to Siege of Dragonspear, it will get the info that is in the variable for Siege of Dragonspear and put it into a variable called game info. And then the game command will grab whatever is in game info and display that in chat. So let's try this. Let me switch my game category again. This is going to be a messy stream. Well, that's what a text stream is all about. Okay. Action is a set info command. Yes. Okay. So accepted that. And then. Ha. Okay. So that didn't work. Destination variable. Do I have to create the destination variable? Possibly. So game info. Right? Okay. Just chatting. It did not update because nothing happened here. But let me see. Siege of Dragonspear. Okay, it just grabbed that action again. No, that didn't work. Destination variable. Okay, ads will strike soon. Okay, so I'm probably just gonna read up a bit on what I'm doing wrong. I may have to enable this one. Global forward. Right now, it seems like it's not updating the variable how I want it. The sub action will let you get a global variable and add it to the argument or passed along sub actions.
Endure.
Okay.
In enduring, grow strong.
That's the ad. Okay. Um. Let me streamer bot get global. Yeah, okay, there are like half-hour tutorials here that I'm not gonna watch them right now. Hmm. There is the documentation. Let me read this real quick. Oof, but yeah, how's everyone doing? I am I don't know if I should be despairing. I don't know how long I'll continue with StreamerBot. I might. Let me switch back to just chatting for now. There we go. I might just play something a bit. Okay, I think that argument. Ad break is over. Okay, welcome back, everyone. Right now I am I'm trying to see where the disconnect is. So this thing should be good. It grabs the game info variable. I don't know why I needed this step though. Okay. I get it now. So this thing I get it. So this thing grabs whatever is in the variable, stores it in some temporary argument, and then other sub actions down here can reference that argument. because I cannot just grab a variable by itself. Okay. So this is okay. So this is where the hang up is. Yeah, so this is the wrong action. This is I need to set the value of either an argument to the value or global variable form an argument or to the value specified. Okay, I think I'm seeing. Okay, hold on. This might be a bit messier than I think. But if I put game info in here, right? And then just put the entire text, set temp global game info to this value. Right? And just paste the text. Don't bother with a different variable that stores the text. Just put the text straight into the action, which is not very clean. But right now it's the only way I can see how I can even, like, it doesn't seem like I can update a variable using another variable. Unless hold on. I grab yes, okay. So I grab the argument from that variable and then set the global from this argument. Okay, so game info, and then grab it, set it to the argument I just grabbed. Right? So essentially, I get the info that's inside the Baldur's Gate Siege of Dragonspear variable, and then save that info to this argument global and so on. And then I set the global variable game info to this argument that I just grabbed. Here. Right, and so I need to like open up a box, grab the text, and then open up the second box and put the text inside. And that's what this action does. Let's test. Okay, did it register? Yeah, okay. So. Aha! It worked! It worked! Oh! Okay, so this is how you do it. Got it. It worked. I am so happy. Nice. All right, now I need to change this to a game info group, and then game info Siege of Dragonspear. So I need a new command and a new variable for every game. but that's okay. Toggle game command, I can keep that. Yes. Oh, it worked! It worked! I am so happy. Right, so this action right here triggers when I set my game category on stream to Siege of Dragonspear, and what it does is it grabs the info from the Siege of Dragonspear variable, places it into the game info variable, and then this game command grabs what is in the game info variable. All right, I need to test this. So let me see. SimCity 3000. That is also another game I might play. Hold on. Okay, so SimCity 3000 came out in 1999. Sounds about right. When did the Unlimited Edition come out? Because that's the one I have. $2000. Mm. Okay. Uh, okay. Crap, I may have bought this game too expensive. Okay, in any case. So let's write a quick blurb for SimCity 3000 because why not? So, the classic city builder by Maxis Games. Let's see. That expanded the city builder genre and defined many of its mentions to this day. All right. First released in 1999. The Unlimited Edition came out a year later. Okay, so this is what we have. That's landmarks from around the world. Let's put that in there as well. Okay. So now I have a little blurb for SimCity 3000. Let's put that into a variable. So add variable SMC no SC3000. There we go. Value this. Okay, and then I need a new duplicate this one. Rename it to game info SimCity 3000. And then SC3000. Global SC3000. There. Everything is saved. Now if I switch... Oh no, I need to change this. SimCity... Come on. SimCity 3000 Unlimited. There we go. Okay, so now if I switch my category on Twitch to SimCity 3000 Unlimited. Hello? There. Boom, update. It did that. So now if I type this. Ta-da! Okay. It works. Okay, so that means I completely... This is it. This is exactly what I wanted. All right, beautiful. So yeah, now we know how to do this kind of deal. Right? And now it's automatic. Now I only need to set a single variable with the blurb for a game I play. And I can do this in a batch. Like I can decide, oh, there's these, I don't know, 10 games that I'm likely going to play in the next few months. I can just put a whole bunch of variables into StreamerBot with all of those blurbs, set up all of these commands, and then just forget about them. Because if I then switch my game to one of those games, StreamerBot will automatically update this chat command to display the correct blurb for whatever game I happen to be playing. Ah, this is automation. I love it. I love it so much. Okay. Right. And then I can also toggle this. Right? I can toggle game info. And now game info is on false. So now this command has been disabled. If I am not playing one of the old games, I can disable the command. Just like right now. Okay. Nice. All right. So that was... I didn't even plan on making this, but now that this is done, it feels so good. And hopefully now I can tell people, yo, there's a game command you can do. And I don't have to update it manually before every stream. Oh, that's so good. All right. So... this is a big one. This is an emergency lockdown. So this is the next big command that I want to work on, that I have set up. So if I type !lock. Yeah. Okay, it completely locks down my stream. If I do this command, there we go. It unlocks it again. Okay, so that's what I want, right? So the idea is, and I know that Twitch has been quite on top of it. Hate raids used to be a thing like a year and a half ago. And they are not as big of a thing anymore. But you know, it's still as a marginalized creator, I still feel like I could be targeted, and I have seen reports, like posts and such by people saying, "Oh yeah, I got a hate raid today." That actually still happens, and so I want a way for me to very quickly lock down the stream, right? Disable all alerts, disable all chat messages, turn on shield mode, place a stream marker. That's probably not a bad idea. Place a stream. Yeah. I have a stream marker now on here. So basically, shield status gets turned on. Alerts gets completely disabled. Chat commands get completely disabled. Redeems get disabled. I create a stream marker saying this is where the lockdown happens. So any follows from that point on in that event I can remove and so on. And I set the scene to be the lockdown scene, which is this one right here. So and so on. And also I play an ad, but I have that disabled right now for testing purposes, right? So I run a 90-second ad. Because if I suddenly get, I don't know, dozens of new viewers rating me, why not get that sweet ad revenue, you know? They're here to hate anyway. Might as well use them. So that command works, right? If I type !lock, it works. And then if I type unlock, it works again. All right. So I also have voice control. And the idea is if I just speak this phrase, it should also activate this. So let's see. Activate emergency lockdown. Nothing is happening. Okay. So it correctly grabbed what I was saying. It correctly grabbed activate and then emergency and then lockdown, right? You can see it on here on StreamerBot, the line that I have selected. It's the correct one. So it's grabbing the correct it's grabbing the correct voice line. And the idea is if I say this, right? If it detects this text, that it then does that this thing, right? Um No, I already created this one. Voice control. Unless add speech to text command. Is that not what I did? Is that not a edit speech to text command? Is edit trigger. Oh, do I not have this one? Selected? Huh? What if I go here? Yeah, now I have a double. Huh? I don't understand what's going on. Okay, so I have a voice command here, but for some reason this thing... Is it not grabbing it? Command, lockdown, command. What is voice control any? I don't get. Okay, so let me check. Streamer bot voice control. Hmm. Okay, hold on. Uh, okay. So it looks like... So... Right, so it is... So I'm again, I'm trying to see where the hang up is. It is grabbing what I'm saying. It's not super accurate, but it is grabbing what I am saying, right? Because it appears here in the lock. So it's all set up correctly. It has my... Oh, wait, what? Audio input device. Why is it the alert cable? Huh? So confused. No, it needs to be my microphone. Wait, how was it listening to me if it was set to the wrong audio input device? What is going on? This is creepy. Is my alert cable listening in on me? Is there some weird shenanigans happening? Okay, now that I've changed that, what will this work now? Activate emergency lockdown. It still doesn't work. Okay. So that was not it. I've set it to my microphone now. But that's still not the problem. Okay. So where's the hang up? Okay, and then the command seems to be set up correctly as well. Hmm. Okay. Huh. So it's not that both actions. It's not that both triggers have to be. Okay. Hold on. Add a trigger. Voice control. Command. Huh? Can I not select the command? Or something? Enter name for this command, toggle the command on or off, and so on and so forth. Settings. Yeah, okay. Usage. Voice control triggers. Select a command from the voice control tab. Do I have to have more than one? To be able to check for voice control command. It doesn't register that command. I switch this to exact. And then huh. So if it's not switched to exact, I cannot actually pick it. That is so odd. That seems like unintended behavior. Huh. But this should work now? Lockdown. But this is exactly what I had before. Okay, let me test this. Activate emergency lockdown. It's not working. It's still not working. Why is it not working? So I have this selected. Right, this is the lockdown voice command that I have selected. I selected it as a trigger. What is diction over here? So I have a second type of voice control dictation. Hmm. Ah. Yeah. I'm lost. I am lost. So did I miss T? No, I don't think so. But so this is troubleshooting right now. So I have this. So StreamerBot is listening to what I'm saying, and you can see here in the log that it is indeed registering everything. I have a voice command set up that if I speak this phrase, that I can use this as a command. And and I have this action set up that hold on. That if I speak that voice command, it should trigger the emergency lockdown. But it is not working. It's not working. And I don't know why it's not working. Let me try something. What did that just do? Like, what is the difference between a command and a dictation when they're both in the same list? Activate emergency lockdown. It's not working. It picks up what I'm saying, and then it just doesn't do anything. Dang it. So mm, voice control triggers, voice control sub actions. Yeah, no, this is. Oh my goodness, Capsize! Hi, Capsize, how are you doing? Gendo mode. Yeah, kind of. Except a very frustrated, despairing Gendo. I want this to work. Because the whole point is to have a voice command. Right? The whole point is if I'm in the middle of playing a game or whatever, and suddenly something goes horribly wrong and I get a hate raid, etc., I can just speak the phrase and my stream goes on lockdown. Right? Without me having to switch over and type a command or something like that. That's the whole point. But it's not working. And I don't know why it's not working. Like all the pieces seem to be working. But then it doesn't run. And the documentation is no help right now. The streamer bot documentation is looks like it's pretty out of date as well. Uh Command input. So, oh yeah, how are you doing, Capsize? Nice to have you here. Yes, please. I need to telephone to help. That is a huge telephone. Holy heck. So this is what it is listening for. This is the name, and this is what it is listening for. Right. Name lockdown, and the command is the line that needs to appear in the log. Just like, where did I say it? Here, for example. Here. Spoken dictation. So it's not a command, but it saves both in the same list. It doesn't appear to be a difference. Hmm. Yeah, no, this is pretty outdated. Yeah, this is. Oh my god. Oof, I am. I am getting tired. Holy heck. Yeah, no, this is voice command, not triggering. Let's see what issues there might be. So this is a lot of the tutorial like guides and videos online are old. They're only like 2 years old, but in that time, StreamerBot has already updated to completely change how this works. So in the older versions, there used to be an action button here where you could select exactly which action got triggered with the voice command. Like it all though the whole setup was quite different in older versions of StreamerBot. Um okay. I just tested this trigger, right? That's why stream just went into lockdown. I just tested this, which means the trigger itself is okay. Right? It recognizes that this thing can happen, so the trigger is not being recognized is the problem. Right? So there's some sort of disconnect between StreamerBot listening to me and seeing this line happen, the activate lockdown thing happen, and then that going over to the actions and triggering this action. That's where the disconnect is. Information. Yeah. So I have the command over here. Why is this? Okay, hold on. Let me check what exactly happened here. So a speech to text command is test. Yes, okay. Spoken text. Event source, speech to text. That is all okay. And it's not because it's a different queue, right? Let me just add it to a new queue. Just can I set up a new one? Emergency. Right, let me just add that. Just to make sure that it's on its own thing. That it doesn't interfere with anything else happening. Was that it, maybe? I don't think so. I'm just gonna keep testing. Activate emergency lockdown. Activate emergency lockdown. Wow, that is activate emergency. Oh my god. Activate emergency lockdown. Okay, now it's just completely not hearing what I'm saying. Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see the text here? Activate A margin C lockdown. What is this, streamer bot? Activate emergency lockdown. Oh my god. Activate emergency lockdown. Okay, it got it correctly this time. But it didn't trigger. Holy heck. I feel like I have to train Microsoft Voice, like speech to text, a little bit. Um. Uh, StreamerBot voice command 2024. If I search for that. StreamerBot wiki. Settings. Okay. This is also outdated. Oh my god, the StreamerBot wiki is also outdated. From 2 years ago. Yeah. This sucks. mm, yeah, no, this is not helping. So it's okay, this is starting to get frustrating. I may have to dig deeper into various voice control things. Like it works with the lock command, but it doesn't work um with the voice command. So that sucks. Okay, let me add a new clip. So let me add a clip command. Right, this is something I've seen others do. Now let me see if I can actually do this. Twitch. Create clip. There we go. There are no arguments for it. It's just clip. Okay. But also I can create a stream marker. And then set channel branded content. The heck is branded content? Okay, and then commands. Clip command. Okay. Let's test this. If I type this, did that create a clip? How do I check? No, video producer? Is that where I go? Clips. Didn't do anything. So that command is also... Huh. So if I go create clip, doesn't actually do anything? Let's see, streamer bot. Create clip. Let's see. Following variables will be populated. Create clip success. Oh wait, I can check the action history. Is reply. Da, 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 da. Create clip success true. And then it just... so I should have... clips I've created. Oh yeah! Oh, here it is! Okay, right, it worked. Okay. Then can I post a chat message? Clip URL. There we go. So there is a clip URL. Send message to channel. User. Just created this clip. How does it look actually if I clip manually on Twitch? If I go to create a clip, where is that? Can I do that? Oh, clips? No, that's not what I wanted. Where do I... Oh my goodness, I don't even know how to navigate Twitch anymore. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? Like when you go onto Twitch while watching a stream and then you want to clip something, I cannot find the button. And then you post the URL of the clip into chat. Like what does that look like? If I go to someone else's stream. Clip, there's a clip button. I don't just want to randomly clip someone though, and then just to test it. This is, but okay. I'm seeing that there is now that there is a clip button that I don't have on my own stream. That's wild. I don't have it. I only have it on other people's streams. Add a title. Blah. Okay, I don't want to save the clip though. That's no, I don't want to do that to other people.
Endure. In enduring, grow strong.
Okay, ads are playing right now, so... Oof. Yeah, okay, Okay. I don't have to match it, right? User just created this clip, and then I can have a clip URL as the... right? Okay, hold on. Okay, I will be right back. I need to be right back. I need to head to the bathroom real quick, and then I'll be back and continue this. Been working on StreamerBot for 2 hours. Holy heck. Okay. I will see you in a bit. All right. Short break, but yeah, I'm back now. All right. So let me try again. I'll just have a whole bunch of clips, I guess. It's not sending the chat message? Hello? Did it create the clip? It did. Okay. Right. Okay, but it didn't. Oh, okay, okay, okay. That takes a while. All right. So the username works, but the clip URL thing doesn't work. So that's the wrong variable name. It's create clip URL. Create clip embed URL? No, I just need the clip URL, I think. Let me test. Okay, so it's create clip URL is the variable name. Right. So let me try that one more time. So it takes a little bit for it to create the clip. That's why it's not triggering immediately. But once the clip is done, it should post it into chat automatically. There we go. Okay. Enough said. Okay, it works. Ha! So now I have a clip command as well. Ah. Right. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, let's get rid of those three. Get rid of the clips. Lucifera Melaine. Hi, welcome, welcome. Finally caught you live. Lovely Bard. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Hi, welcome. It's nice to see you here. How goes? How goes? We're just doing some streamer bot things right now, as you can probably see on the stream, on the screen itself. I come from the bluest of skies. Yeah, I was thinking your name seemed familiar. I was gonna ask. From Blue Sky, right? Yeah, I open it up. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, StreamerBot. Is there any way to make it overlay over games? To make StreamerBot overlay over games? Like this window I have here? Or you mean something that StreamerBot shows? The chat window specifically. I don't actually know how to make a chat window with StreamerBot. I haven't looked into that yet. I don't know if it might be possible, but I don't know if it's possible yet. Click on the chat window. Chat chat. It's I think it's still loading. Oh. I did not know that was a thing. Oh my goodness, I've only been using it. See, this is why I do this. This is why I do this. I was only using it for like alerts and commands, etc. And I didn't okay. I didn't know that it had its own chat like capture. Oh, and I can set the font, I can set like dark mode and timestamps and things like that. Yeah, I'm seeing it. Okay. Glad I brought to your attention. Yes, thank you very much. Yeah, because right now the chat you see on screen is still from Stream Elements because I started out with Stream Elements and then I've been slowly shifting away so that I'm not spread over so many platforms, and also that I don't use Stream Elements anymore. Um, so I was looking for a chat alternative, but if StreamerBot itself has that, let me see. How would I? Is there a way to grab the Oh, overlay. Chat overlay is experimental and still in active development. Copy overlay URL. I would assume that it's just a browser source then, right? Browser source. Create new StreamerBot chat. Whoops. That, hold on, that doesn't look right. Wait, no, this doesn't look right. Do I have to switch it to this? No, it does. Yeah, no, that looks like some sort of menu window. What is this even? StreamerBot chat. Yeah, no. Okay, hold on. I mean, we can find out together. Right, let's experiment. Because if I can have this, that would be really cool. So, yeah, it shows me the preview is supposed to be the actual chat messages. If I Is it a URL? It is a URL, right? Yeah, so HTTPS chat streamer bot overlay. Oh, I see. I see what went wrong. I believe I see what went wrong. Or not. The accounts channel. Where is accounts? Window. Yeah, accounts window. Fiction. None of this. Chat client. Yeah, no. Chat client is connected. Chat config. Okay, let me completely empty this. There was a recent StreamerBot update. Maybe something's changed. Yeah, I updated StreamerBot just before stream. Like I launched it and said, "Oh, there's a new update." So I don't know. Well, let me get rid of this right now because it's blocking everything. Okay. So it's showing the wrong window. Basically, it's showing the menu. Connect automatic. I'm not getting this window. So it means it's not connected? Sync settings? Host port endpoint secure connect automatically connect. Yeah, that seems like platforms. Use TwitchBot, use all this. So there's a bunch of stuff I can do. There's quick actions I can do. So there seems to be a lot of good things. So timestamps. Alternate background. What if I switch around some settings? Overlay. Okay. Copy overlay. Let me grab this one again. This is now a different link because I changed some settings. But it is still the same window. So essentially, somewhere it's not connected to chat yet. Otherwise, it wouldn't show me this window of connect to chat. StreamerBot is extremely versatile from what I've heard. Barely know the depths as I really only use it for chat integration thingy. That's the one thing I don't use it for, I guess. I use it for all of these. I use it for all of my chat commands, for example. I use it for redeems. I use it for alerts and automatic stuff. And I tried using it for an automatic stream lockdown. But the voice command doesn't work. So I was trying to solve this for the past half hour or so. Where I've set up a voice command where if I say this phrase, I'm not gonna say it now, but if I say this phrase, it's supposed to trigger the lockdown command that locks down my entire stream, right? Like goes into shield mode, deactivates all chat commands and redeems, alerts, etc., and switches over to a lockdown screen. Which is this one, right? In case I get things like hate rated, because while hate rates are not as prevalent as they were like a year and a half ago, I still see people saying, "Oh yeah, I got a hate rate," or I go into a friend's stream and then they say, "Yeah, I'm dealing with a hate rate right now. I can't pay attention to chat, etc." So they still happen every now and then. And because I am a marginalized streamer, I am more of a target, right? So I want to have this in my back pocket just in case. It sounds extreme. Yeah, it is. It is. It's supposed to, but this is not my idea. I've seen other friends and other streamers do this as well, where they have this lockdown that just completely, like, it doesn't end the stream, but it completely shuts everything down. No more chat messages, no alerts, no more anything. So that when people log on with, or not log on, but like follow with really hateful names, and you get like 200 follows in one go because that's a hate raid, that it doesn't completely break your stream apart, that you can say, all right, I have a lid on this, I can control this, it creates a stream marker that I can remove all those followers later on, and that you let everyone know there's an emergency happening, but none of that is happening on stream. I have the lockdown happening, and I play an ad so that all of those people who come in, hold on. I wanted to get rid of this. There we go. So that all of the people who come in and are like, ah ha ha, you are, I don't know, let's have some really messed up names and follow you, that all of them stumble into an ad. It's like, why not? We are diametrically opposed. Yes, we are. I was nervous about hate rates, why I started with YouTube videos instead of lives. Yes, I can totally imagine. Like, it's become a lot better. Twitch actually recognized it was a problem, and they did a lot to alleviate it. Um, so good on them. Um, like it used to be regular. Like it used to be I would just watch someone stream and all of a sudden they would be like, whoop, hate rate happening. And then you would see that, right? Like this person's followed, that person followed, this person followed in chat, except, it was all hateful names and with I don't know, slurs and other not great things. And that would happen like every week or every 2 weeks. I would just watch someone and they would get hate rated. Um, and that's no longer a thing. Um, at least not as regularly. It still happens every now and then, but Twitch has gotten a grip on it. And there's also Seribot, which does a great job of just culling bots, like viewer bot things, people trying to sell you viewer bots, that kind of thing. Yes, Seri, exactly. So Seri is really, really good for that. But just in, the case of cases, those are filters. Those aren't complete blocks. Those are filters. And they filter out, even if they filter out 99% each, right? I just want that final bit of defense just in case something happens to slip through. Um, so I mean, I am maybe a bit paranoid about this, but I will be a lot more relaxed in my streaming, knowing that I have this and knowing that I have it set up. Um, and the idea is that I set it up with a voice control so that if I'm in the middle of playing a game that I see this happening, that I can just say the line and it locks down my stream. But the voice control is not working right now. So that's where I'm stuck right now. Uh so let me do this actually. Uh hotkeys. Hotkey press. So I can also do that with a hotkey. Oh, I already have that one set up. So now I also have, if I press Control Shift L, it will also lock down my stream. So I have 3 possible triggers. Might look into getting these protections too. Yeah, I mean, I might just be paranoid, right? Twitch is doing a good job, and Twitch's moderation tools are getting better and better and more finer, that you can really customize, and you can preemptively block certain phrases from chat and so on. Like that's really good. But like just last month or so, or this month even, I was watching a friend stream and she was saying, yeah, I just got hate rated. I need to take care of this and so on. So I was like, oh, okay, this is still happening. Every now and then, right? So gotta take care of this. So I'd rather have this than not. I mean, I already have it. It's just I would also like the voice command to work, basically, right? Um, that's the biggest thing. Okay, chat. Let me see. Uh, Let me actually see if I can set something up here. So chat, it says chat is not connected. The heck are pyramids? Chat client connected. If I just try this, right? Should I set you ref of the video I use? Just analyze. Yeah. I mean, I can enable you to send links. Sure. Then you can just send the link. That's perfectly fine. Hold on. Okay. I have just given you permission to send links. So if you would like to send the link, that is perfectly okay. Okay, I need to open this thing. Highlights. Okay, I don't need that right now. Platforms. Show platform icon. Only if multi-platform. Show pronouns. Use Twitch bot. I don't have one right now. No. 1 sec. Yeah, no problem. I may need to give you permission again once you're ready. WebSocket server. Is it a URL? Or is it a browser source? It might not be a browser source. Is it a media source maybe? Or something else? A scene? Ready? Okay, no problem. Oh, there. Okay. Thank you very much. Let me check this out. Okay. Ah, of course, yeah. Okay, Nutty. Yeah. I use his videos a lot for StreamerPod. He has a lot of great tutorials. And just for setting up stream stuff in general. So yeah. Uh yeah, okay, let's see. First time setup. Okay. Okay, this is the streamer bot setup. The features it has, I don't need that right now. Okay, I don't need that right now. Horizontal chat widget. Uh how do I show it? Do I need a new widget for this? Hmm. Uh. Okay, so he's not quick action stream bot chat features. Okay, I need to think. So it seems like they are trying to make an overlay URL, but it's still not quite there yet. And that might just be what's bugging out. Right? It could just be that streamer bot itself. They're still working on this feature, but it's not working yet. Hold on. Thought. Failed to connect to WebSocket server. Okay. I need to enter my WebSocket details. Okay, hold on. So what are those? Stream output advanced. What are that might be why it wasn't connecting. Twitch WebSocket, or is it StreamerBot WebSocket? Handling WebSocket. Twitch. Okay, hold on. Host and port and endpoint. Is it on StreamerBot or is it on Twitch? Okay, no, that's the wrong. Stream apps? Or is it OBS? I don't know. There's so many programs. What's happening? Is this the host? That looks like it might be it. Okay, hold on. I don't know if I will really want to show this. Let me just move to here real quick. But I have. Yeah. Let me just check. I found some info that looks like it could be the thing I'm looking for. This and then the port. I could just be messing things up completely. WebSocket. What WebSocket? StreamerBot. Hold on. I dimly remember. Is there a Twitch WebSocket? Event. Okay, so this is telling Twitch that something from the web wants to connect with it. Where did I remember I used it somewhere. I remember I had to either install or set up or have a plugin or something from a WebSocket when I set up something for stream. What was it? WebSocket server settings. It's not really. You just download a plugin or you activate it, and that's all it does. What are you? Enable WebSocket server? Yeah, you just go on OBS. It's an OBS thing, I believe. I found this on OBS. Okay, so enable WebSocket server. And that allows something to plug into OBS. Ah, okay, yeah. Yeah, so on OBS, you can say, I need something to hook into OBS so that it can manipulate it or read data off it or something. And I forgot what I set it up for. Show connect info. Yeah, no one can see it. Is this... You working? I had to set it up. What did I have to use it for? I forgot. Is it just StreamerBot? It may have just been StreamerBot done. But right now it doesn't seem like I can grab the chat. So the chat overlay cannot connect somehow. So the overlay itself isn't broken. It's just not connecting. Be right back getting water? Yeah, yes, please. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I should probably hydrate as well. Okay. So the overlay itself seems to be working, but it's not connecting to whatever it needs to connect. So StreamerBot chat overlay. Let's see if there's something. StreamerBot chat. So it's mainly a multi-stream. Autocomplete, quick actions, highlights, OBS browser dock. I can dock the StreamerBot chat in my OBS Studio instance. In order to Okay. Ad manager, what did I do? Navigate to servers, clients, WebSocket, server. Auto start WebSocket server. Oh, I didn't start the. Ah, I need to. Okay. I'm seeing something here. Ah, configure OBS Studio. Okay, there is no overlay thing here right now. Copy the overlay URL. Go back here for now. Browser source. It's still not connected. Okay. Test. Oh, something's showing up on here. Okay. Why is this not working then? Okay. So okay. When I hold on. Platforms. Okay, so when it's also not fully working yet. When I have the overlay URL open in a browser, just in a normal browser, it works. Kind of. Now, okay. Right. Okay, I will have to set this up for OB. I will have to. Can I dock? Custom browser dock. Add a new one. SV chat. Okay. Still not quite working. I cannot send chat messages in here, which is frustrating. General. So right now is read only. Whoops. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Okay, so I can have the StreamerBot chat docked to my OBS, but I cannot I cannot chat using it. I cannot send messages using it. And the overlay is not working. Sorry. Oh. Okay. So if I could get it's saying that StreamerBot chat. I can type messages in here. Okay, this works. Hold on. I think okay. You get rid of this one. Oh, hey, Troy, hi. Welcome, and thanks for the hydrate. Oh my god. How are you doing? Hey, it's nice to have you here. We do this? Yeah. That might be a little bit loud. Hold on. I'm doing okay. I am despairing a little bit because StreamerBot is not working as I want it to. But other than that, it's going fine. How are you? Can I chat using this? I cannot. Finish work a bit EP? Oh, yeah, dang, time zones. Right, yes. Well, At least work is done, right? At least that's something. But yeah, it might be time then, I guess, for you to I don't know, what time do you have right now? Like midnight-ish? That sound about right? Maybe. Um it's 4:40 p.m. Oh, 4:40 p.m. Oh, dang. Okay. That puts you somewhere in Australia. Uh yeah, 2 hours behind New Zealand time. Okay. So you're probably on the east coast then. Yeah. Australia mentioned. I have various. Uh-oh. Fatal UI exception encountered. Ah! Okay. 1 second. Streamer bot just completely died. Waiting to see if Twitch gets banned for the kids, meaning I have to give Amazon my face to be here. Wait, what? What? Wait, what is happening? Twitch getting banned for the kids? Okay, hold on. Let me get rid of things that might break. Streamer bot, please. Okay. I think we're good. Yeah, okay, I think we're good. Yeah, so the chat thing is very unstable. The streamer bot chat. I think I'm gonna wait a little bit before implementing that. It seems like a cool thing, a cool idea, but I'm gonna wait. Because the chat thing just crashed, and it crashed so badly that it just shut down my entire streamer bot. So yeah, I don't want that to be a thing. All right. But at the very least, we got some other things done. There's a bipartisan support for a wide-reaching, impractical, and draconian social media ban for under 16s. Oh my god. No one could agree what a social media platform is, and no one knows how they're going to go do the age verification, as that will have to be done and may involve facial biomet. What? So is this like KOSA on steroids?
Raiding party!
Oh my god!
You must gather your party before venturing
Zara!
forth.
Welcome. You came in just in time. My streamer bot just crashed, and I was able to get it up just now so that all the alerts still work and the shoutout still works. But welcome. How are you doing? I don't know what's going on. Yeah, me neither. Yes, nice timing indeed. You were playing Sekiro. I watched, I read that title from the back to the front, so I was like, what is die twice? And the shadows die. Is that some kind of RPG thing? And then I read like, oh, Sekiro, right? Yes. How was Sekiro? I hope you made good progress. Randomized Ooh, that sounds a lot of fun. How did that go? Hold on. You made good progress indeed. That is very nice. But yeah, welcome Raiders. Welcome. My name is Chichin. I'm a Bard VTuber. Usually I stream old games or role-playing game stuff. But today I am working on StreamerBot, which is this program that you're seeing here right now. We fought the Screen Monkeys, who were in fact just people. False advertisement. Hate that. But yeah, that's good. Seeing you make some progress, or hearing that you made some progress. Very, very nice. But yeah, welcome. I'm working on StreamerBot, where basically. Oh, thank you for the follow. Follows are anonymous, but you're very welcome to use the redeem I just followed, or just say hi in chat. But yeah, welcome. Yeah, so basically StreamerBot is this program that allows you to do a lot of things around your stream. So all of my alerts run through StreamerBot, are set up through StreamerBot, all my chat commands, all of my redeems, ad management, like the timer that appears and such. All of that is done through StreamerBot. And I've been spending... Why is this not... Okay. I've been spending the past 3 hours working on various things, fixing up some commands that didn't work, some of which still don't work as I want them to, creating some new commands, finding out that StreamerBot has chat, but apparently it is so buggy that it just crashed StreamerBot just like completely. Yeah, so I'm not touching that for a while. But yeah. So that's basically what we're doing today. And yeah. I don't know what else to say about this right now, other than I was pretty excited seeing that I could have the chat on there, because the chat has a lot of extra stuff, but it is very buggy and the overlay doesn't seem to be working, so I'm not gonna touch that for now. But aside from that, I don't know what else I would want to implement. Also, an ad is start. Oh god, hold on. Let me snooze this. You guys all just came in. Let me snooze this. And StreamerBot crashing disrupted my ad timer. Of course it did. Well, that's okay. Brain thoughts. Yes. So basically, I just finished, or I was forced to finish the thing I was just working on, which is the chat. And then other than that, I don't know what else to go for. Like there's a couple things. Okay, some things that I still need assets for are a bit event. Like if someone donates bits. So right now I have alerts for follow, I have alerts for raid, for shout out, and when someone subs, which can also use a new alert image, because right now the sub alert image is not great. So I need to make new asset for those. I'm writing this down on paper right now, which is a new alert image. And then specifically for the bit alerts, like the whole thing is also people tend to have different bit amounts do different things. Right? So I need to think of a bit amount things. That's one of the biggest problems. Like there's so many just things, it's just stuff to think about. Like I have a lot of commands. But then it's also redeems. I need more redeems, but what do I use for redeems? Right? It's like um what do I what kind of redeems can I have? Like channel point redeems can I have for this channel that makes sense and that I can actually do? Um and like what kind of bit donation amount? Like some people go the very classic if you donate a certain amount it plays a certain sound clip or it plays a small video clip and things and so on, and I can't think of any. So I'm back. I went out to kitchen, saw the chicken I left out to defrost in so typical ADHD fashion. I made it decide now is the perfect time to marinate them, prep and beautiful. Yes, I recommend Nightbot for redeems. I'm doing like redeems. I'm also doing through StreamerBot. I have them down here. But like the main issue I have with redeems is not how to set them up, it's what to have, what kind of redeems to have. Right? So that's what I'm wondering. Like I have a first redeem. I have now the followed redeem that you can say, oh, I just followed. I have head pat redeem, I have hello redeem and hydrate. And apparently the stretch redeem is not on here. Oh, I need to transfer that over. Whoops. Transfer stretch redeem. Transfer stretch. I can do that in after the ad. And so on. And like what else, right? Some streamers have some really cool ideas on redeems. The ones that never intercept your stream do have a lot of toggles. Toggles as in like like toggle effects or things like that on my model. Oh, like expressions and such. That is a good point. That is I do have a bunch of expressions that I never ever use because I keep forgetting about them. Maybe different accessories and the like. Yes. Okay. Perfect chance to use them? Yes. Okay. I will have to look at what expressions I actually have, but then I can set them up after the ad break. I do need to go get up and stretch and such. So it's definitely what I plan on doing when my model is rigged. Yeah. That's a very good point. All right. So set up. Okay, so set up model expressions plus assets. I don't have a lot of model assets. I know there's some that are free, but I never really bothered with them. So yeah, like the pirate model. You mean my model? It's not a pirate. People tend to think it's a pirate, but not. Then you can do sound redeems too. Yes, but what sounds? What sounds? You know, once you record it yourself. Ooh, never thought it's a bard. It's supposed to be a bard. But yeah, the ad is playing. I need to be right back. So yeah, sorry about that. I need to get up and maybe see if there's a snack or something, and then I will be right back. I'll see you on the other side. All right, I'm back. I'm heating up some food in the rice cooker. So yeah. Okay. First things first, I need to check what other redeems I have on Twitch and then transfer them over. So, creator dashboard. Where are they? Channel points, right? Customize channel points. Is that here? No. Manage. Ah, okay, here. So I have hydrate, stretch. And I have one that I haven't touched in a long time. Okay, so I also have wait, I need to create the redeem over here. So that's stretch. Wait. Oh, it is here. Right, okay, I already transferred it. It's just that I don't have any special thing attached to it. That's why it's not in an action. Right, so when, for example, the hydrate redeem plays the little animation of the glass being filled. About sounds redeems, you can use a catchphrase you say often, an inside joke that comes up a lot in relation to linguistics game dev. Ooh. Maybe a cuss whenever you encounter a game design problem. Vocal stim you use a lot. Applause for things to go rough. Booze when they don't. So okay. Those are some amazing ideas. Holy heck. Okay. Whoops. Yeah, my pen is broken. Hold on. Just splits apart. Okay. So, let me look into the expressions first. Where are my expressions? Here. How do I, does this work? Hey! I don't know how to turn it off. There we go. All right, that's just something I've been workshopping prepared for my own stream. No, those are really good. Like I've been trying to come up with ideas for things like that, but I've never been able to think of something like that. Always drawing a blank. Okay, so let's see. I have this thing. And that removes all of the animations. So I also have, what is this? Oh, that's the animation reset. I have tears. That looks so weird. Okay. I have art. What is this? Ooh. Okay. They're very subtle. What is this one? Right. The heart one is perfect. I was actually thinking that one for follows. So Hotkeys. What is this? So when I have a raid, when a raid happens, I play the whole hat greeting thing, the hat animation, which is right here. VTube Studio trigger hotkey. So when I get a follow event, add where is VTube Studio? Hello? VTube Studio trigger hotkey. VTube Studio. Oh, integrations. VTube Studio trigger hotkey. This one. Heart. So put that up here. And then I need to trigger it again to remove it after everything is done. So wait, what is expression state? Oh no, that's bad. This is better. Okay, this is better. So let me remove this one. Integrations, VTube Studio, set expression state. State enabled. Oh. Can I? Huh? Oh, there. And then I can fade it after 7.5 seconds, which is exactly how long. Model's very beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. It's is that it? Yeah. So that was done by Maro Caron, who is an amazing artist. Really, really cool. And I asked her to do my model in this art style. This is inspired by Art Deco. Art Deco art style and such. And she's never done Art Deco before that, and she was just like, okay, I will learn. And then she learned the art style just to do my model. I was like, wow. This is really, really good. So yeah, I'm very grateful for that. Actually, let me give her a proper shout out. She doesn't stream too often nowadays because busy with school. But yeah, really cool artist. And very comfy streamer in general. Model artists and riggers are amazing. They really are. They perform magic. It's wild. Okay. Let me test this thing. So let me
Updated
this.
my journal.
Aha, and I get the little heart. Shout out alert was great. Thank you. Yeah, the pixel art stuff I made myself, so I'm quite proud about that. It's not fading. Okay. So I need to just remove that. And then I need to set another one down here. Studio. Set expression state. Art disabled. Boom, there. And that turns it off. Okay. Yeah, I was like, I spent quite a bit of money on the model. And I was like, I don't have money to spend on other things, really. So I actually taught myself pixel art, to make everything else. So all the scene backgrounds, all the alerts, all the everything's from pixel art. That's by me. So yeah, I'm pretty proud of. um and but holy heck, making animations, like that, the shout out animation, the mirror, it's like 2.5 seconds long. That took me 3 hours to make. So yeah, if you want to make animations, prepare to be spending a lot of time. So yeah. I made that one live on stream, like an updated version, the one I'm currently using. I made that one live on stream. Uh and so it's like, yeah, afterwards I was finally done and I check how long I've been streaming. 3 hours. Holy heck. Oh yeah. Three hours. For 2.5 seconds of animation or so. Which I mean it tracks. You know, that's how long it takes making it frame by frame, but still it's just, oh my god, so much time. I had to make a lot of things myself, but I owe so much to artists who make free to assets. Yes. Yes. So now that I have these ideas, that now that you've given me these ideas, I should look for some assets, some free assets. Um and see if I can't integrate them into various various redeems, etc., that kind of thing. Okay, what other ones do I have here? Okay, these two are very similar. I also have sad brows plus tears. Right. Okay. So that's what's happening. I can do actual crying. Right, reset expressions. Okay. But the flowers I think might not be a bad thing to toggle. So let me make a new redeem. Where, okay, here, add a new redeem. I need a clever name. Flower power, I guess. Okay, and then cost. What should this cost? Maybe 500. Prompt, no prompt necessary. Background color, I can change that later. Global cooldown, let's do 10 seconds. There, and then right now it doesn't do anything. But I can add the flower power redeem. Add this to the redeems queue. Yes, I need this to be in different. Okay, flower power redeem. So, channel reward redemption. So when flower power is redeemed, then I need to go into integrations. VTube Studio, set expression state. It's not here. It's not here. Where are flowers animation? So I need to, it's not an expression then, it's an animation. Oh, I can color tint the model. A trigger hotkey. Whoops, not this one. Flowers animation. And then I need to delay by 8 seconds. And then I need to turn it off. Trigger hotkey. Animation reset. Boom. There. Okay. So now if someone redeems flower power, is that on here already? It is. Redeem? Ta-da! And then I get flowers. And then in 8 seconds, it fades away. And then the redeem should be available again. Yeah! Awesome! Okay, okay. Ah. Right. Let's see what kind of background colors I have here. Yay! Nice. I can probably change the background color to the color of the actual flowers. I will have to grab that. Let me do that right now since I'm working on this. So let me grab my my sheet, my model reference sheet. Where is it? Open with where are you? Okay, grab this color. What color is this? Um, so I need to go to platforms. I need to convert between hex and 255 code. Okay. Hex code converter. The things I do. Hex RGB converter. Okay, so I have here the code 188, 94, and 143. BC5E8F. BC5E8F. Oh, thank you for the lurk. And yeah, thank you for all your amazing ideas so far. So this is Oh, never mind. Just does it on its own. Okay. So this for okay. This right now I have this in the pinkish color. There we go. Oh, my music is done. Oh. Has it been that long? It says this is 5 hours. But okay. Okay. Save. Nice. All right. So that is now a redeem on this channel. Hooray. Okay. Voice lines, I will have to record some, I guess. I also enjoy using voice lines and sounds from old games. Like all of my alert sounds, for example, are from older games. So yeah, that's so I like using those. Um hmm. So that's nothing I can do right now, I guess. I will have to think of but I can write some down. Yeah, this pen. Okay. Jump scaring me. So the spring inside this pen is enough to burst it open every time. Things to say. Uh, okay. Do I have a catchphrase? I don't think I have a catchphrase, to be honest. Applause for when things go right, booze for when they don't. Maybe something like the Final Fantasy victory fanfare. That could be a thing, right? Okay, but this will have to this will require more, like I will have to record lines, I will have to write down what I want to put in exactly. I think overall though, uh socials. Yeah. Okay. Um yeah, I think I've done most of what I can. The rest is just creating assets, recording sounds, putting them into StreamerBot as redeems and such, and gathering like more ideas on that regard. Not completely new redeems, but like types of like the content of redeems rather. But the rest, like I managed to get the clip command down. I tried fixing the emergency lockdown, that didn't work. Chat is completely broken now that I know. What else did I do here? Oh yeah, the game command. That's a big one. And I now have a flower power redeem. Awesome. Okay, this needs to be added to its own queue. So that it doesn't interfere with anything else. There. All right. Other than that, I think I am okay for now. I've been going for 3.5 hours. It's 2:30. Yeah, no, I think we're good. Let's look for someone to raid. Um Who is on? We've never raided this person before. I don't know how much longer the stream will go. But yeah, let's raid. Okay. So hey Vitalina. Alright, we are going to raid Flower Kirby. Who is currently playing Animal Crossing New Leaf. And yeah, I don't think we've ever raided. But yeah, we've played a bunch of Minecraft together, so let's do that. Okay, so where's my chat? Raid Flower Kirby. Yeah. Okay. So thank you all for being here. Holy heck, a lot of you stuck around for my streamer bot shenanigans. I very much appreciate that. Appreciate all of you. Like, I didn't play a game. I was literally just fighting with a program. So thank you all for sticking around for this. I should be back tomorrow. Trying to finish and play test a tabletop RPG that I'm designing as part of National Game Design Month, which ends tomorrow. Or not. Which ends at the end of November. Anyway. So yeah. Thank you all for being here. I hope to see you all again soon. Thank you for the raid. Thank you for all the follows. Yeah, and then take care. Stay hydrated. And bye-bye.